Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we reveal 10 elegant wedding cake designs where height meets harmony. Whether you dream a classic three-tiered or a show-stopping six-tiered masterpiece, these cakes are built to wow. The first one is classic three-tier white rose cake. A timeless choice, smooth white buttercream stacked in three even tone tiles and topped with ivory roses. Simple yet stunning, perfect for traditional weddings. The next is two-tier gold lace accent cake. Each layer wrapped in edible lace and gold tie. This cake whisper vintage elegance with every detail for romantic and vintage themes. The next is marble and gold five-tier cake. White and grey marble fondant tile touches with edible gold leaf, tall, stylish, and artistic. The next is floral cascade cake. White tile wrapped in a cascade of sugar rolls and hydrogens. The florals flow from top to bottom like a waterfall, ideal for garden or floral themed weddings. The next is floral tie illusion cake. Clear separators give the illusion that the ties are floating. Add soft floral and you have the magic. Elegant with a hit of enrichment. The next is tall minimalist ivory cake. Smooth ivory ties with sharp edges, no flowers, no fuse. Pure, clean, and sophisticated. Less and more. Next is barbecue and spice six-tie cake. Each tie features gold scroll work and orient piping, fit for a royal celebration. Grandeur in every layer. The next is umber white and pink tie cake. Soft umber gradient from blush pink to white, with matching florals on each level, romantic and sweet. The next is pearl dotted fondant cake, each layer decorated with delicate edible pearls arranged in flowing pattern, feminine and classy, inspired by bridal elegance. The next is royal crown cake, topper cake, a white and gold stacked beauty with ornate piping and a golden crown topper, a true showstopper for queen of the day. From delicate floral to bold structure, tied wedding cakes offer elegance, height, and style. Whether you choose three layers or six, each tile adds another level of magic. Want to make your tile cake even more stunning? Use a pedestal or gold cake stand to lift the design. Add soft florals or candles around the base. Style the natural backdrop so the cake shines on its own. Keep the table clutter free and maintain elegance. Which Thai cake was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. Like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas like this. Share with a bride to be, wedding planner, or cake lover. Outer cake with a beautiful color and elegance. These cakes are so perfect for brides and wedding events. If you love this video, must like this video and share with your friends and the loved ones. If you like any cake idea, take a screenshot of it and bake that cake for making your event more classy and elegant. See you in the next sweet video. Stay blessed and happy with your friends, family, and the loved ones. Always stay positive and create happiness around you. This is a perfect match with a sweet cake and the positive environment. If you are happy inside, you can create happiness within your environment. So, if you subscribe to Cakes Factory, you can never miss any update or an amazing idea for your wedding event, for your parties or birthdays, and you can make your celebration more beautiful. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. See you in the next video. Goodbye.